We are already done with in str. So the next function we have today is length. So what does this function do? As the name itself is suggesting that this function returns the length of a given string in bytes. So whatever the length do you have of the given string, it will represent in form of byte. And I hope you know what is a byte, which is equal to 8 bits. And bits is 0 and 1. So the length of the string will be represented here in form of bytes. Its syntax is length and str. That means you'll be passing the string over here. It returns the length of a parameter specified by argument str in characters. If argument str string has data type character, the length includes all trailing blanks. Now see one thing. Again, reading it, returns the length of the parameter specified by argument string in the characters. So whatever the string you have, if it is a string, then it will return all the characters length. But if the string is not there and the character data type is there, it will include even all the spaces which are actually available over there. Suppose if I write my name only as Pooja space and my surname, so that space will also be calculated as one character. If argument str is null, this function returns null. If string has not been given, any string is not been passed, then the output will also be a null. Here also, as in str was having, that it takes input and returns the output in the form of number, as we were having it into the in str. There also we were taking string and we were giving the numbers as the output. Similarly, in length also the same is there. Let's see and some of the examples for it. So the very first example we have is that how many characters are there in the string candidate? How many characters are there? So according to length, it should be, we'll count the string one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what should be there? It should be 7 should be the answer for there. That the length of the characters are 7. You know how to find out the length, but you should also know how to write the query for it. So the query will go like this. Select length, and in the parenthesis, since it is a function, in the small parenthesis, in quotes, the string will be written for which do you want to put the calculate the length. And then what does this represent length in characters? This is the column name. You can always give the column name with the help of as keyword or without as keyword also. So this is the way how the query will be written for this. So the next question we have is, which you would have to solve. Display the employee name and name lengths for employees 4 times 8 and 8900. Display the employee name. So one thing which you have to display is employee name, and second thing which you have to display is the name length. जो भी employee के name है उनकी length कितनी है for employees 4 times 8 and 8900. Only for 2 employees you wanted to do it. So please make a query, frame a query, and let me know what we will be writing for this. So question is before you all. The table for your help, the table name is EMPL and the employee name is with the column. Let me share the photograph of that employee table. So the employee name is with the name E name. Employee name is with the column name E name, and employee number is EMP and O. So all three things you have. The employee name is with the column name E name. The employee number is with the column name M and NO, and the table name is EMPL. Now frame a query for this. The question is, display the employee name and the name length for employees 4 times 8 and 8900. Take your time and frame the query. Anyone? Try it out. गलत भी बोलोगे तो that's okay, but try it at least.
Select
Yes.
ename, comma,
Yes.
length and in parenthesis ename from EMPL.
Correct. You have to pass one condition also.
Where employee number equal to 888 or employee number equal to 8890.
Very correct. So this is whatever Astha has spoken is perfectly correct. So this will only be the way how the query will be written for this. You can see this is same as what she has spoken. So it was clearly said that you have to display the employee name and which was with the name ename. Ename was the column name for that. So select ename, comma, what do you want next? Length of the employee's name. So length, ename, and what did you want it? From employee table, so from EMPL, and the condition should be that where employee number should be equals to this or employee number should be equals to this. For both of the conditions, we wanted the length of the employee, also the employee name with it. You can always rename this as name length, or if you do not want the same operation will be the name of the column. So in this way, you can actually perform. Very good, Asta. Keep it up. This was perfectly correct answer by you. I hope everybody understood this, how to do it. Anyone
Yes,
has
ma'am.
any doubts? Akansha, Prishita? क्योंकि आपके पास ऐसे ही क्वेरीज आने वाली है फ्रेम करने के लिए एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू ओवर हियर ओनली ओरली तभी आपके दिमाग के थोड़े जो घोड़े हैं ना वो दौड़ेंगे अदरवाइज दे विल बी ऑन स्लिप मोड ओनली. Okay, so the next function we have is after length. Also, one more thing. Let me show it on the console that we can always use. I was telling you just yesterday only that when you use rtrim function, suppose I'll show you again that when I use rtrim with the space, like so many space, I was telling you that it's very difficult. Okay, what the wrong did I do here? Okay, rtrim spelling is wrong. So when I write rtrim, yeah. So you can see, I was telling you we cannot really figure out whether the space is there or not. It has been deleted or not. But actually it has been deleted. So to figure out what we can do is, one thing is that you can just give it a small column name like this. So see, the space has been trimmed, clearly can figure out. One more thing is, 12th E student told me that one thing more, ma'am, you can do is that you can put this inside, you can use the length function for it. So how am I going to use the length function for it then? कि आप ट्रिम करके एक लेंथ फंक्शन लगाइए और आप लेंथ फंक्शन से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो that what is the length of it now. But how can I do it? Can someone suggest me how can I nest it? What could I do to use over here? I wanted to find out the length also of the R trim. How can I do it? Suggest me something. How can I do it? Can I do it like this? That length is a function and I first wanted to trim my, not before, oh sorry. I wanted to trim the space and then I wanted to calculate the length of it. So can I do it like this? So you can see I got the length of this. So before trimming, after trimming, the length is fixed. Just let's take it out without trimming. What's the length of this? So that we can figure out whether it has been trimmed or not. Oh, sorry. So see, the length was actually of this string was 17. And when I used rtrim, the length was giving 6. That was clearly understandable by us that yes, the trimming is actually working. So both of the ways you can use. You can actually use length in this way. आप ऐसे nested way में भी length का use कर सकते हो whenever it is required. Is that clear? How am I using this? Any doubts with how am I using it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll move on to the next function. So our next function is left. It says that this function returns the leftmost number of the characters as specified. It will return you the leftmost characters of the string. So how the syntax will be left, string and the length. That how many length of the characters do you want? It returns the leftmost len characters from the string str. So suppose if in the len length we have given 3, so it will take out 3 characters from the left hand side of the string. It returns null if any argument is null. अगर argument आपने null दिया है, that means if you pass inside this length is equal to 0 or something like that, then it will return you null in that case. So let us just see the example. So the example is write a query to extract institute code from a string this. What we have to extract? We have to extract institute code. The first 3 characters are the institute code. That means this USS are the institute code and we have to extract it. So what is the length of the string is 3 and this is in the leftmost side. So how can I select it? Let's select left and then write the string and how much length do you want from that. So the answer will be USS. Is that clear? Any doubts while understanding this? Similarly, we have right function. This function returns the rightmost character of the rightmost number of the characters as specified. This is same as left, only the purpose is right, so that we can do it from the right hand side. It's a string, argument type is string and integer since it takes 2 arguments and the return value is string. So we'll see one of the example on this also. So the example is write a query to extract 2-digit number, 2-digit year from a string uses this. The last 2 characters tell the year. So what you can do, select right and you can just pass the length as 2. So you can see the output like this. So give me some question which you can perform on this MySQL to use this right and left. So what do you want me to extract? I wanted to use left, but what? Tell me some string on which shall I use? What do I extract? Anyone, anything? Suppose I have my pandas only as a string. Okay, and I wanted that from the left, I want all the 4 strings, 4 letters to be taken out. I want panda to be taken out. Okay, I want, yeah, I have to write 5 for that. So this is the way how you can extract it from left. And if I want it from right, I can just mention over here right and can use it like this. So from the right, I can see that how many 4 values has come up. So S was the first, A will be the second, D will be the third, and N will be the fourth. So this is the way how you can actually use left and right. Any doubts in this? How can we go ahead with this? Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, if there is a gap space between 2 strings, so will it consider the space also?
We'll see that. Let's just try it out. Better to try it down directly on the console so that we can learn more. What are you telling me? What do you want the string to be like? I have given it like pandas space and let's write matplotlib library. Okay. What do you want me to do now?
Instead of 4, you can take 8.
Today is such an interesting day.
Okay. So let us just see the output. So the output is plotlib. and we were doing it from the right hand side. So they have calculated all the characters. How the characters are calculated? So taking it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now see, I have left one space over here. So that space has been calculated as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's why it was plot library. Plotlib has the output. Understood? So they are calculating space also. The space is counted as one character. In fact, if we remove 8, where is my cursor? If I remove this 8 and I put something like 11 or 12, so you can see, not 12, let me put 13 over there or 14, something like that. So ultimately, it is just that they are calculating the space also. The space will be treated as your one character over there. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nidhi, where were you busy? Why are you so late to the class? Already 20 minutes are over.
Ma'am, it wasn't getting connected. Like yesterday,
So
there's a
long,
lot of
20
network
minutes it
issues.
took to connect?
What?
20 minutes it took to connect?
Yes, ma'am, it won't get connected. Like yesterday also I faced problems.
Change your network then. It is so poor at that side. If 20 minutes, it's too much. Okay, so coming on to the next function, which is mid. So this function returns a substring starting from the specified position. So by the time we were getting the string either from the left hand side or from the right hand side. But what if we want it from the middle? We want it not from the left or right, but we want a middle substring. So for that, you can actually use mid. So what will be the syntax for this will be mid string and its position from where do you want to start and how much length do you want to take. Don't you think it is so similar to one of the method which you have already read? So it is so similar to substring. So these are synonym for each other. Whether you use substring or you use mid, both are same. Both functions in the same way. Only the name is changed, but the output is same for both of them. Both of them has the same argument as string, position, and its length. So it returns a substring from a string starting from the position and having a number of character as len. So that is what your mid actually does. So let's see it that can we give negative numbers also at the position. So suppose if I want to find out the mid, so select mid and the syntax was saying that I can take one of the string first. So let's take the string, give me some string. What string could we take? Okay, economics we take it like economics. Ah, MICS, right? Yeah. Economics is there is one of our string. And I wanted the next thing which goes over here is the position from where do you want to start. I wanted to try it like -3. I do not know whether it will work or not, but before doing that, let us just separate it with a comma. Then I have to give the length of the string which I want. Suppose I want 3 only, that also. Let me just close this and a terminator. So let us just see the output. Okay. So in fact, your positions with this -3 will also work. Only the thing that will be different, -3 will take you from the right hand side. Whereas if +3 would be there, it will take you from the left hand side. You can see the output has been changed because if we go from left hand side, the third position will be for O. So the string will start from O and O. And if we go from -3, the first string will be S, second will be C, and third will be I. So according to that, it will be ICS. Is that clear how we are using this mid function? Anyone any doubt with this mid function? This is similar as substring. And suppose if I give 0 as the length, what do you think will happen? क्योंकि substring में हुआ था. What will be the output in case of 0 if I take as the length of the string?
Null.
Yes, it will be null. There would be nothing because there is no any space like this. And if I take in the position itself 0, then what will be happen?
Null again.
Again, it will be null. Doesn't matter. Do you give a length 3 or 4 or 5? It would be a null only. And if in the position only, if this is 4, but I have given the position as -3, what will be the output in this case? The length of the character should be -3. What would be the output in this case? Try. We have done it with substring. हमने substring में किया था ये try. What would be -3? No idea?
NOC.
Null.
No, it will be there.
OMI.
No,
The output will be null.
null. Why it will be null? Because -3 is there. -3 कोई position होता है क्या? The list, that means -3 is what is the length of the character. How can a length of the character be -3? 0 से minimum कुछ length होता ही नहीं है. -1, -2, -3 cannot be length of the character. So if length of the character is not given, it is in -3, which is not actually there, then it will be always a null. Clear? We'll move on to the examples. So the example we have is, write a query to extract a substring from string quadratically, which should be 6 characters long and start from 5th character of the given string. So we have to find, first of all, this is the string given and which 6 characters long. So length of the character is given 6 and the position of the character is given 5. So you can simply write it in the substring or in the mid that quadratically 5, 6, quadratically 5, 6. I hope this is clear. Okay. So one more example for you all, which you would have to frame a query for that. We have a string which is programming language. Let me write it down on the console only so it would be clear. Okay. You have to write a query for a string. The string is programming language. Okay. Now the programming language should have a length of the character should be 7 and should start from 6th position. So what will be the query written for that? The string is programming language. The length of the characters should be 7 and it should start from 6th position.
Ma'am,
6,7.
yeah, 6,7.
Yeah, you are not clear. Can you please repeat it again?
6,7.
6,7.
6,7. So you want me to write it like this, 6, 9,7, right? So it will give me 7 characters and starting from 6th position. Yeah, this is completely correct. So you all know now how to go ahead with this. So this was some of the methods which were related to string. And now the next